Are you deciding between Cursor, Windsurf, or Warp? Each of these AI-powered tools brings something different to the table for developers. So let's break down how they compare and which one might be the best fit for your needs. First one is Cursor. It is a Visual Studio Code fork that integrates AI directly into the editor. It's perfect for solo developers or small teams who need an intelligent assistant for coding. You can ask it to fix bugs, explain logic, or generate code from plain English. Cursor excels with features like smart auto-completion and built-in chat that allows you to ask questions about your code in real time. It's a great choice if you want a reliable, proven tool that's trusted by big games like OpenAI, offering smooth integration with familiar tools and interfaces. While Windsurf, on the other hand, brings a more proactive approach to coding. It's built on Visual Studio Code and offers AI-driven auto-completion and bug fixes. But what sets it apart is the autonomous development. You give it high-level tasks like build a block app with user login and it will handle the structure, write the code, and even connect the parts. It's ideal for quick prototyping and building MVP, especially if you want something that can take more initiative and handle larger chunks of code quickly. Windsurf is perfect for developers who want faster development without the need to start from scratch. It's budget-friendly and has a motor-slick interface, though it's still improving in some areas. Finally, Warp. Warp takes things to another level with its agentic development environment. Warp isn't just a terminal or IDE. It's an AI-powered assistant that helps you with everything from coding to debugging and even multi-threaded task management. You can interact with multiple agents simultaneously, asking them to handle tasks like debugging, pulling logs, and fixing errors in the background. Warp's state-of-the-art code editor integrates with its Warp Drive knowledge store, providing real-time content for both AI and human teams. It's ideal for developers working with large code bases and teams needed to collaborate efficiently on complex projects. Warp supports code-based embeddings, make the AI smarter by understanding your project better. So, how do they compare? Cursor is the go-to if you are looking for reliable AI-assisted IDE for solo development or small teams with great code generation and intelligent suggestions. Windsurf is perfect for quick prototyping, MVPs, and if you want AI that takes initiative and helps automate the coding process. Warp is the next-gen choice if you are looking for multi-agent development, working with large-scale projects, and need a platform that keeps you in your flow with knowledge-driven environment. Each tool serves a different need. Cursor for reliable IDE support, Windsurf for speed and automation, and Warp for complex team-driven projects. Which one fits your workflow? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.